The Benz Patent-Motorwagen, created in 1885 by Carl Benz, is recognized as the world's first automobile. This revolutionary vehicle marked the beginning of the automotive industry, introducing the concept of motorized personal transportation to the world. A marvel of engineering and vision, the Patent-Motorwagen combined innovative design and groundbreaking technology for its time, setting the stage for the cars we know today. The Benz Patent-Motorwagen had a distinct and minimalist outlook, reflecting its pioneering nature. Its lightweight frame was constructed using steel tubing, while the wooden spoked wheels were similar to those used on horse-drawn carriages. This three-wheeled design featured a single large front wheel and two smaller rear wheels, providing balance and simplicity. The open design showcased its mechanical components, including the engine, chains, and gears, giving it a raw and industrial appearance. Despite its basic structure, the Patent-Motorwagen exuded an aura of innovation and modernity for its time. At the heart of this revolutionary vehicle was a single-cylinder, 954cc engine that produced just 0.75 horsepower. This engine was mounted horizontally at the rear of the vehicle and utilized a four-stroke combustion process. Though the power output was modest, it was sufficient to propel the vehicle at speeds of up to 16 km per hour, 10 miles per hour. The engine's innovative features, such as the integrated cooling and ignition systems, were groundbreaking and laid the foundation for internal combustion engines in automobiles. The suspension system of the Benz Patent-Motorwagen was rudimentary yet effective for its purpose. It lacked the sophisticated shock absorbers and coil springs found in modern vehicles, relying instead on its lightweight construction and pneumatic tires to provide some level of comfort. The wooden wheels and solid axles absorbed road vibrations to a limited extent, making the ride somewhat bumpy but manageable on the relatively smooth roads of the era. Road grip was maintained through the use of thin rubber tires that were a novelty at the time. These tires provided adequate traction for the vehicle's modest speed and weight. However, steering was an entirely manual process, controlled by a simple tiller connected to the front wheel. This setup required skill and precision from the driver, especially on uneven surfaces or sharp turns. Despite its simplicity, the Patent-Motorwagen's handling was a significant leap forward from horse-drawn carriages. Performance-wise, the Benz Patent-Motorwagen was not about speed or agility but about proving the viability of motorized vehicles. Its ability to travel short distances without relying on horses was revolutionary. It demonstrated that personal transportation powered by an engine was possible, practical, and scalable. The vehicle's performance was reliable for the time, showcasing the potential of internal combustion engines and inspiring further innovation. The interior of the Benz Patent-Motorwagen was as minimalist as its exterior. Since it was an open vehicle, there was no enclosed cabin or roof. The seating consisted of a simple wooden bench with padded upholstery, accommodating two passengers. Comfort was not the priority. Instead, the focus was on functionality and practicality. The exposed controls, including a hand crank for starting the engine and a lever for throttle adjustment, added to its industrial charm. There was no dashboard or instrumentation as seen in later automobiles. The simplicity of the design allowed the driver to focus entirely on operating the vehicle. The absence of complex controls or decorations highlighted its purpose as a prototype and proof of concept. The interior color scheme was natural, with wooden elements and metal components dominating the visual aesthetic. The Benz Patent-Motorwagen was a groundbreaking invention that forever changed